what chair should I sit in? Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I've been posting a lot more on my socials, so I recommend checking them out. Anyways, for today's video, I'll be doing an updated house tour. I originally wasn't going to be doing this video today, but my house did reset, so I had to redo it. Some of the rooms I did keep pretty similar to my last house. I'm obsessed with how my house turned out, and if you do use, please give me credits. Comment down below if you want to know where anything in my house is. Let's get started. So here's the first little front area. Then as we move along, we have this really cute laundry room. Then as you scroll, you have this kind of area in the middle of the hallway. I think it came out super cute. Then we have my updated kitchen. I'm not sure that the kitchen was downstairs in the last house, but I did update this. I was going to add a waffle maker, but I thought that it just looks so much better without. Then we move into the bathroom, which is so cute. This bathroom is probably one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. But then lastly, we have my bedroom, which is super cute and aesthetic. This is a lot different. Okay, moving along to upstairs, we have this adorable little gardening area. Then as we move along, we have this super cute outdoor kitchen area. This area is super cute, and I definitely plan on making so many videos out here. Then we have these two areas by the elevator. Then as you scroll, you enter the living room. I personally am obsessed with how the living room came out, and it's super cute. Then we have the kids' rooms. This starting room is Ryland's room. Then we have Ren's room, which is super cute, and then we have Oakley's. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. Shout out goes to the person on the screen, as always. Skylar, I would really appreciate if you could comment on this video so I can give you a shout out in my next video. She won the shout out for my live, but I could not find her comment. Stay tuned for tomorrow because I'll be doing an ASMR collab with Toca Alice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. I love you guys. Bye!